Hey everybody, what's going on? This is just an update on these Alternanthera. Check them out. I planted 3 of them. There's 1, 2, and 3. I did them last week, and this is just, they're doing so well. Are these absolutely beautiful? Check that out. Those colors are amazing. I had one once a while back. It was just a solid purple. It was beautiful, but this is just really cool looking. Check that out. Isn't that something? Color is amazing. Green with the pink and creamy colored striations on the leaves. Look at that. Even some of the stem is, I don't know if you can see that, but some of the stem is pink too. Anyway, that is, yes, Alternanthera party time. This was it. I bought it at Home Depot. That's all the information right there. Anyway, very nice. Just wanted to give you an update. Bye.